Hello, welcome to a quick video on how to create your ePortfolio and then how to set up your pages inside your portfolio so that you and your teachers can find your completed work. The first thing you're going to need to do is log into Haiku, and once you are on your main page, you're going to see the two tabs right up here. One that says My Portal and the other one says My ePortfolio. For this piece, we're going to click on the ePortfolio right here. And for those of you who have never used the ePortfolio or who are brand new students, this will have a one-time screen that pops up that says, Create My ePortfolio. You will do this thing. You'll never see this screen again. Now your portfolio is officially created, and this is what it looks like. So your first page, you're going to rename for one of your subject matters. In this case, we will call this English. And you're going to push the Save button right there. Then you're going to create a new page. We're going to call that page History. We're going to leave it at the bottom of the list of pages right here where the default is, and you're going to hit Save again. And one more time, at least, depending on how many classes you have, you're going to create a page for each class. I'm going to add a science page on here as well. But as I said, for however many classes you have, you're going to create a page for each one. All right. So I'm going to go back into our English class here. And we are then going to add another page as a sub page for English 1. So we're going to add this page. But this time we're going to label it with the assignment number that you are going to be posting work for. So let's call this assignment 21. And instead of it being at the bottom of the list of pages, you're going to make it a sub page of the English class. Now down here, it's now going to give us a preview of what this will look like in the left-hand bar of the navigation for your ePortfolio. We're going to save it right there. So now assignment 21 is over here inside, and if I click this little arrow right here, it would actually snap that up inside the English class. We're going to pop that back down. So now I could go to History, and we'll add another page as a sub page. And we'll call this assignment 25. And again, we're going to make that a sub page of History there. And we're going to click Save. Okay. For every assignment you work on, you're going to create an assignment page under that subject. That way, your teacher, as well as yourself, will know where the work is that you have done for that assignment. If your teachers cannot find your work, it's going to be very hard for us to grade it. Once you create the assignment page, you will then need to add content. Most likely, you will simply be typing on there to answer questions or something, write an essay, something of that nature. In which case, we click the On-Page Text button. it will pop up this nice little block right here, and you can label it. Please label it with the information related to the piece of work that you are completing. So this may say story from page 243 of Springboard, or maybe it's story answers to questions. And then from there, in this box, you will type your answers here. You can, of course, type your answers in some other document and then copy and paste it into this if that's easier for you. Regardless, information will go into this box, and at the end you will hit the save button. And then your work will be preserved right here for you. If your assignment asks you to upload or create different information, you can upload a file right here if you choose. You can add images. You can create video and upload that as well, or audio. If you need to embed a YouTube video, you can do that here as well. So all of those are possibles. Just follow the directions. They're very easy. And that way you can add content for each one. Please avoid creating one large box with all of the information in it. Smaller boxes that are well described as to what the information is will make it much easier for both you and your teacher to find that content for grading and for you to review in the long run. If you have any questions about how to create the pages or how to add information, please contact your primary teacher, and they will either put you in touch with me, Miss Perry, or they will help you sort that out for yourself. All right? Thank you.